The RunCam Split 4 FPV camera delivers crisp, ultra-high-definition footage while still providing a responsive analog feed for flying, which makes it ideal for freestyle and racing microdrones. Its compact nano form factor and standardized mounting pattern let it drop neatly into many tiny whoop and toothpick frames without awkward adapters or custom plates. Image quality is impressive for such a small unit, with a wide 140-degree field of view that captures plenty of detail around the craft for both cinematic and exploratory flights. Latency is low enough that control feels natural and connected, even when flying close to obstacles or pushing hard through technical lines. Integration with modern flight controllers is straightforward, and being able to trigger recording and adjust settings from the transmitter greatly reduces fiddling with buttons on the bench. A particularly valuable feature is its ability to preserve the current clip during sudden power loss, which helps save flight footage when a crash ejects the battery.